In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change shape color here on Canva mobile. So we have a shape in our lower left down here, just a little circle, and we can click on that shape and we should see a menu pop up here at the bottom, and color is one of the options. And so we tap on that and we'll get a few colors, including, the selection of our own or no color like transparent. But we can also click this up arrow here on the right, and it'll take us to this other menu where we have lots of different color options, from default colors and even gradients, all the way up to colors from photos, or once again, selecting your own. So you could select your own color, like maybe I want this to be a red color, and then that shape is now turned into the red color. And so real easy, changing colors of shapes, pretty simple. You click on the shape and that menu will pop open at the bottom and show you the spot to change colors of shapes here on Canva Mobile.